Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel, myself Ashwini. The International Yoga Day has been celebrated on 21st June since 2015. Yoga is physical, mental and spiritual practice which is originated in India. The 21st June is the longest day of the year in Northern Hemisphere. It shares special significance in many parts of the world. Yoga is invaluable gift from India's ancient tradition. It is holistic approach to health and well-being. It is not about exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, with nature and the world. Here, let's find out few yoga poses and with few benefits.
Hello friends, my name is Meenal. Welcome back to this channel. This is my sister channel, and today on this International Yoga Day, that is 21st of June, we both are decided to perform some asanas, and we are going to tell you some benefits of these asanas. Now I'm sitting in Vajrasan. This asana is helpful in digestion, and this is the only asana, this is the only pose we can perform after having lunch or having dinner. It improves your digestion.
If you are looking for single mantra to stay fit, then here is a solution. Surya Namaskar. Let's start. A set of 12 powerful yoga asanas or postures that provide a good cardiovascular workout in the form of Surya Namaskar. These postures are a good way to keep the body in shape and the mind calm and healthy. Surya Namaskar is best done early morning on an empty stomach. Let's begin with the simple yet effective sun salutation steps on our way to good health. Each sun salutation round consists of 2 sets. These 12 yoga poses complete one set of Surya Namaskar. To complete the second half, you need to repeat the same sequence of posture, only moving the left leg instead of right. You might find several versions of doing sun salutation. However, it is best to stick to one particular sequence and practice it regularly for best results. The Surya Namaskar has many benefits. It helps to strengthen our bones and also helps to clear our vision.
Now second asana is Chakrasana. You can call that asana the wheel pose. In this pose, the chest expands and lungs get more oxygen, so that this asana automatically or especially beneficial for asthma patients. Second, it sharpens our eyesight, and third one is it strengthens our lower back, or it improves the elasticity of our spine, and this is beneficial to reduce stress and tension in our body. Now let's start the asana. For this asana, we have to lie down on this surface. This is yoga mat, and you have to lie down on your back like in sleeping position, like this. After that, you have to bend your legs from into your knees. Then take your both hands and lift your body on these hands. Now the third asana, that is Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. In this asana also helps to strengthen the spine, and this also relieves our stress and fatigue, and it opens our heart and lungs, and this is also beneficial for asthma patients. Both asanas which I have shown, these are especially designed, or these are especially beneficial for spine and asthma patients. So now let's perform this asana, that is Cobrasana or Bhujangasana. That is Cobra pose, or you can call Bhujangasana. Now perform. Asana, you have to lie on the surface, but this time you have to lie on your stomach like this. Your hand should be like this, and your side should be parallel to the surface. Now start the asana. Take your both hands and lift your upper body. Three asanas which are beneficial for asthma patients and for especially for spine related problem. The patient who are suffering from spine problems, these asanas are very beneficial. I am also doing these asanas, and I would like to tell, if you like this video, and I am pretty much sure about this video, that this video is definitely going to useful, beneficial for every person out there. So guys, please do like this video and please do subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends, family, so that they can get help, they can also get benefits from these asana. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Here I would like to share few benefits of yoga. Yoga improves your strength, flexibility and balance. Yoga can ease arthritis symptoms. Yoga can help better heart health. Yoga can help you to reduce your back pain. It also helps to improve your energy and your mood. It also reduces your stress level. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Bye.